Today's date is Friday, May 22nd. I'm going to be reviewing the trade I took today on NASDAQ. The daily is an uptrend. We're seeing this potential daily fair value gap. If this candle closes here without filling this gap, right, filling this potential gap, there will be left a daily fair value gap. 4 hours bullish. 1 hour was bearish on NQ and was bullish on, no, 1 hour is bearish on both of them. No, sorry. Bullish on ES, bearish on NQ. Going into market open, we had these London highs right here. ES didn't really have these highs. It already took that out pre-market. Market opens, we take out these highs, and then we start making moves to the downside. Like I said, there was also this potential 1 hour fair value gap. This 10 a.m. candle hasn't closed yet, or 9 a.m. candle hasn't closed yet. At 10, it ended up closing, making this 1 hour fair value gap. That's a big reason why I didn't do as good as I should have today. On the 2 minute, I waited for a 2 minute market structure break. We saw that at this candle, 2 minute fair value gap fill here, and then I waited for a 30-minute continuation, and we saw that when this small gap got inversed on the 30-second. Stops up here, and here's where I kind of went wrong today. I should have had my first take profit at this 79% extension mark and then move stops to break even, especially with this fair value gap here. I mean, this is also a trade, my trade setup for bullish. Like I could have took this as a bullish setup as well. So especially with this gap here, I definitely should have took partials here, and I didn't. I had my first partials here. When price ended up coming here and chopping, I just ended up getting out. I think I lost about zero point 0.3 RR. So not a full loss, but definitely could have been better. We see price almost stopped out where my full stop loss would have been if I didn't manually exit. Um, yeah, I should have took partials here, and honestly, I should have longed this. I mean, I'm sure this is gonna get hit here. I should have longed this somewhere in here, and maybe not stops that wide, but you get the point. Some longs in here. TP 2, 3. I think all that would have been acceptable. We're probably not even going to hit TP3, or if I did take that, we're probably not going to come up and hit that. But I definitely do think these are in order to get hit. Um, yeah, could have been better today. Could have um, got out at a sooner take profit, pulled stops to break even, and then I could have took a trade long, and that's what I should have done. And instead, I got greedy and didn't take profit. Took ended up getting didn't move my stops to break even either. Ended up getting out for a zero point 0.3 RR loss, and then I also didn't take the long setup. So normally I don't like trading twice in a session. I just like taking one trade. At the minimum, I should have pulled stops to break even, especially with that fair value gap there. Um, so yeah, ideally the way I should have traded today, took this short setup, first take profit at the 79% extension. Uh, Obviously, I would have got stopped out for break even, but I would still be up partial profit. And then taking that trade, taking a long trade here would have been ideal. I know, even though my first take profit for a long trade would be somewhere. Let's say this was the entry. Even if the stops were wide, I probably wouldn't have kept my stops this wide. But let's say I did. Uh, Even if take profit was here, I'm sure this is going to get hit today, and then 2, and then take profit 3. So that's how today should have went. Um, Live and you learn. This week has been brutal. Some people are saying that this is the worst top 3 worst price action weeks of the year. They haven't even seen the other half of the year yet. So I don't know. This week's price action has been pretty bad. Um, I'm actually up on the week though. Barely. I think I'm up zero point 0.2 RR. Next week, I think there's full trading next week. Let's check that. Actually, no, Monday's Memorial Day. So Monday is a bank holiday, and then trading for me all next week. So that's what's going on. Should have traded better today. Should have definitely pulled my stops to break even, considering that a literal long setup for my strategy was coming. And I got greedy, and I didn't. Should have pulled stops, and then should have took a trade long. So that's probably what I should have done better today. Even if I don't take a trade long, I definitely should have pulled stops. No question about that. So yeah, I will be trading Monday. Yep, that's it.